How to hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide or unhide your comments in your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Now go onto your profile on your bottom right. To unhide the comment, first of all, you need to find the post. For instance, I have this post. If you would like to turn the comments off in this post, then tap on three dot icon on your top right. Then you will see the option that says turn off commenting. Tap it, and just like so, you can see that the comment icon has been removed. Now, if you would like to turn it back again, go on to the same process, tap on three dot icon on your top right, and tap on turn on commenting. As you do so, you will be able to see the comment sign here again, and that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.